Aibileen was covered in burns, fleas, ticks. You could tell how malnourished she was. She was just bones and boobs. She just concentrated on feeding them because they weren't malnourished. They were just good-sized 4-week-old puppies. She just tried her hardest, like any mother would do. Katie that found her is going to end up adopting Aibileen. We for sure need to have a reunion. Why not have a birthday party for them? I really think that they all knew who each other were. When they saw Aibileen, they knew she was something special. She knew that they were all in such great homes. You know, she was just tired.
Easy.
Of course, we had cupcakes. It was mayhem. It was so much fun.